Hello guys, it's Mrs.Z. Today we have lesson 4, grade 5, mission 3. It's a word problem. We're gonna read, draw, and write our answer. Okay, so the story says Leslie has 1 liter of milk in her refrigerator to drink today. She drank half liter of the milk for breakfast and 2/5 of the liter of milk for dinner, for breakfast and for dinner. How much of the liter did Leslie drink during breakfast and dinner? So altogether, breakfast and dinner, how much did she? An extension says, how much of the liter of milk does Leslie have left to drink with her dessert? Okay, what is left? So if we draw the picture of, you could be vertical or horizontal, it doesn't really matter. So if I'm imagining, then this is that milk cup. I'm just gonna pretend this is a little milk container. Okay, so so she drink some in the morning. That is 1/2 of it. So she'll drink half of it about till here. Okay, she drink in the morning. Then she drink 2/5 of in the afternoon. Let's see, let's see that this could be a 2/5. Okay, and then this is left of the milk. Of course, the left is in the bottom, but just to imagine that pictorially. So what we need to do is to figure out how much did she drink in the breakfast and the dinner. So breakfast she did for this, and then dinner she did that. So what is 1/2 plus 2/5? Okay, before we were saying, oh, 1/2 is this and 1/5 is this. So when I put them together, they cannot, I don't know what the together it is. So what that means is I have to change the half and the fifths into equivalent pieces. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5, 10. So both numbers, the twos and the fifths, they need to be changed into the tenths. So I can do 2, 1 times 2 times 5 is 10. So I have to do the top plus. Now I have 5 times 2 and 2 times 2. So when I got that, my answer is 1/2 will become 5/10, and then my 2/5 will become 4/10. So then all together, they're all tenths. So 5 plus 4 is equal 9/10. So when we know this, she will drink 9/10 of the milk. So how much would be one? How much is left? So you have to know that the whole is 10 pieces. So you can say 9/10 plus what will equal 10/10. So that is what is left of milk to drink. And of course, if you know that here this is whole. That is the whole milk. One whole, one whole. So if that is a whole, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you can see that we're really missing what we have. She drink 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a breakfast. 1, 2, 3, 4 tenths for dinner, and there is 1/10 left. That makes a whole, and I can show you this is like whole 10/10 pieces. So how many is missing is this one piece right here. So that is how much is she will have with her dessert. The dessert. So how we can write it down? We're gonna make sentence. Let's see. How much how much of the liter did Lassie drink during breakfast and dinner? Gonna answer that. During breakfast and dinner. Lastly, Leslie drink has been drank 9 tenths of a liter of milk. Okay, she has left 1/10 of milk for her dessert. Okay, so guys, forgive me if I misspell or grammar is hard for me. So has been should be changed. I would say drinking. She has been drinking or drink 9/10 during breakfast and dinner. Leslie has been drink or she drank. I think it has to get here. She drank 9/10 of the liter of milk. She has left 1/10 of a milk for her dessert. As you can see, I'm not as good in the language, but forgive me. The math is more for me important, and I tried my best. There you go. All right. So this was the because when you say 9/10 plus 1/10, that equals 10/10, and that is a whole this container. That makes the whole 1 liter of milk. Okay, that was lesson 4, word problem, and it was Mrs. Z, and this was the whole part. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.